In today's video, I'm going to teach you bolding lines in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted certain parts of your spreadsheet to stand out like headers, totals, or key sections, bold lines are simply thick borders that add clear visual emphasis. They're easy to apply and they print beautifully, which makes your sheets cleaner and more professional. Start by selecting exactly what you want to emphasize. Click and drag to highlight a block of cells, or click the column letter or row number to select an entire column or row. If you need a larger area, click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to cover the entire range in one move. Taking a moment to select the right area up front ensures your borders land exactly where you need them. Now head to the toolbar and click the borders icon. It's the little square with lines around and inside it. This opens the dropdown where all your border controls live. You'll see options for where the border appears and how it looks. Start with the placement. Choose all borders to outline every cell within your selection for a neat grid. Pick outer borders to draw a strong frame around the selection without adding lines between cells. If you only want emphasis on one side, choose bottom border for an underline effect or top left or right border for a single edge. Horizontal or vertical inner borders are helpful when you want to separate rows or columns inside a table. As you hover over options, you'll get a quick preview so you can confirm it's the look you want. To make those lines truly bold, go to the border style section in the bottom right of the dropdown and select the thickest solid line. This changes the default thin line to a heavier stroke immediately. If your selection already has borders, applying all borders with the thick style will unify everything for a consistent appearance. And remember, Google Sheets often remembers your last used border style and color, so it's a good habit to double check before applying. If you'd like a different look, click border color and pick a shade other than black. Dark grays or your brand color can work well. Just keep contrast in mind for readability and printing. Borders are different from the faint grid lines. Borders are permanent design elements that stay visible in print, shared links, and exports. That's all it takes. Select your cells, open borders, choose the placement, pick the thickest style, and optionally set a color. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.